Good morning, sun, good morning, me. Time to wake up happily. Stretch up high, rub my eyes. A brand new school day's here, surprise. Wake up, wash up, get dressed right. Brush my teeth till they're shiny bright. Eat my breakfast, grab my bag. I'm ready for school. Hip, hip, hooray! Shoes on feet, socks pulled tight. Check the clock, I'm doing right. Pack my lunch, water too. I know just what I need to do. Wake up, wash up, get dressed right. Healthy habits every morning, every time. Calm and ready, not too slow. Off to school, let's go, let's go! Tick tock, tick tock, hear the clock say. Follow your routine, you'll have a great day. Morning routine, strong and smart. I did my part right from the start. Confident, ready, feeling great. School day fun, I'm right on time!
Did you enjoy learning with us today? Give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more fun learning songs.